I want to introduce you to my master mixologist today.
Oh, right.
He is.
We are going to get a little
we're going to start
tipsy.
That's right. And that's why he's called Tipsy Tyrone.
Really?
Yeah. I just came up with that.
But that could work.
For
today,
that
yes.
He has gotten me tipsy many a times, and he's here to start us off with a drink, with a cocktail.
Is it going to be strong or mild?
It could be adjusted to your liking.
Whoa, it's your
I like
heroes.
the adjustment to my liking.
Yes.
Your heroes. Happy Hour, we call it here on Cup of Joe, and it's brought to you by Tropical Rhythms. A lovely range of fruit juices that you're going to be using in these cocktails. Talk to me, Darren.
So today we are using the pineapple ginger, right? So I have a nice tropical, because pineapple is definitely tropical.
Right.
Pineapple actually represents hospitality in the food and beverage industry. Some people take tattoos with pineapple, so it's a big thing.
Serious pineapple. And the actual tropical flavor is mixed with pineapple and ginger.
And ginger.
That's it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, you know, pine and ginger, that sweet and spicy kind of mix, right? I have a strawberry basil to infuse with that. And we have a honey Tennessee, right? So it's gonna sweet, a little spicy. So let me begin.
Sound like Patrice a little bit?
Yes.
That's how I like it. Hot and spicy.
She likes it hot. It is hot, not just spicy, but it is hot.
Hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy.
Yes, we can do that. To that, I'm gonna be adding a vanilla and pineapple syrup, right?
A vanilla and pineapple syrup.
Yes, vanilla and pineapple.
How you did that?
Basically, we take some vanilla and sugar and I juice the pineapple and I added the pineapple juice to it and I let it simmer for at least 15 to 20 minutes, right?
Do you do cocktails? Are you a cocktail girl?
No,
What do you drink when you drink? What do you like? A drink of
wine.
choice? You're a wine girl.
Yeah.
Right, and so we're moving on to our tropical rhythms by Grace. And this is a nice sweet and spicy note. It's refreshing. So on a day where you feel you need something a little refreshing, pop this with some ice and you're good to go. And here, Joe, I have a strawberry puree with basil, some fresh basil infused. So the basil gives it that nice herbal note, right? And strawberry and basil is magic together. Right, add some ice to this. So the method for this, I'm gonna actually swizzle this and put all the flavors together. My trusty bolele stick, or as we know as a swizzle stick.
As I always tell people, not only Calabrese swizzle. I have learned that. Yeah. Tyrone has taught me that you swizzle drinks as well.
This is actually a Trinidadian technique in terms of a way how to mix cocktails. So normally you shake cocktails, you stir, you blend, but swizzling is Trini. Yeah? So I'm gonna double strain, meaning I'm gonna strain it twice to get out all the sediments. So to top this, I'm gonna add some foam, and I have a nice pineapple foam.
Pineapple foam, you say?
Yes, pineapple foam.
Oh, you get
Right
pineapple.
back the
So what I did, I take some fresh pineapple, put some of the same pineapple ginger in it. So it's a pineapple ginger foam, and it actually has a bit of the vanilla as well. So as your lips touch this cocktail, you're gonna get that nice bubbly notes right on your lips, and then the pineapple is the nice sweet aftertaste.
Wow.
Simple garnish for this. Nice little basil sprig. Right. And here we go, guys. Joe, what are we calling this one?
What are you calling this one?
Because I was going to call it Toxic Love, but I want to change it.
I like toxic.
You like Toxic Love?
Yeah, I know.
She go tell me. She go tell me.
Cheers, darling. Tell us if it's toxic love.
Or better days are coming.
Better days.
carry on.
Carry on? Right. Carry on.
That's like tremor in one there. Guys, Patrice Roberts is here, and we are going to be celebrating her as a mother, talking with her, we're having some fun. It's all about Mother's May on Cup of Joe. Come on back. I'm rolling out a recipe next. I want to thank the man, Tyrone Benjamin, for this one. Better days, carry on.
Carry on.
Carry on. Carry on. Carry on. We're carrying on. It's happy hour, courtesy Tropical Rhythms. So different, so good together.